Hello and welcome to the channel. On Sunday the 16th of July 2023, the NECPWA 50th anniversary historic vehicle rally took place at Newby Hall. Over 1,000 vehicles of all makes from Aston Martin to Wolseley attended the annual historic rally, which boasts to be the Northeast's biggest one-day car show. In this episode, we take a look at Lotus vehicles that attended the show. If you see your vehicle, be sure to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out some of the other videos, visit our homepage, subscribe to the channel, and check out our links in the description. Bye now.